Hey, what's up, guys? We're the Caper Couple.
Laura.
It's Kevin. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, give us a like.
Like and smash that button.
So today, guys, we're on our way out to Blackett's Lake, and we're gonna show you, show you the lake, tell you a little story that goes with us. So until then, guys, we'll catch you back when we get there.
Catch you later.
Peace. Lake to drown herself. This is Blackett's Lake. Now, a lot of activity happens around this bridge. I've read a story about people seeing a woman rise up through the bridge, a woman in a white dress. Lots of things happen to teenagers here, like they'll hide things in the bushes here and no one around to see them. These things will disappear and then they'll later on reappear back where they put them. So that's one other thing that happened. There's a kind of a story that goes with it about the Blackett family that started here way back in the day. I don't really remember it all, guys. It has something to do with them building a basement on a property out here, and they found a big huge stone at the bottom of the basement, and they couldn't remove it, so they left it there, and they went to build a wall around the basement, the stone wall, and every time they'd leave to go home for the day, all the stones would be removed and thrown out of there. So they'd put them back up in place. They'd go home again for the night. So every time they'd go home, guys, they'd come back in the morning, the stone would be all removed again. And I read online something about some kind of creature throwing some sort of stone out of the basement at them. You'll just have to look it up yourselves, guys. I can't remember the gist of the story. What else happens in this area? People say that they've been chased by a triangular shape and all kinds of lights over this lake. So it sounds like UFO type story going on there, guys.
Plus you can fish.
It's a great spot to fish. It's a beautiful area. Now I ended up stopping at my buddy's over there, which lives across the other side of the lake, to get you some footage from there. I used the Mavic Mini, so you'll have some good footage, guys, but I did get the bridge here in the view and some of the lake, so I just couldn't get a lot because it's kind of windy today and I don't want to lose the Mavic. We'll take more chances, guys, once I get a better drone. I'm going to try and save up and either get the Skydio 2 or the Mavic Air. But yeah, guys, lots of paranormal activity happens here. Guys from Haunts from the Cape done a video here. So I know quite a few of you wanted to see some more paranormal stories on the channel, so we're trying to give you that too. But that's the thing about this area, guys. All kinds of things happen here. And it's all unexplainable. But I've read a few stories online about people crossing this bridge and seeing the lady on the bridge. I know one of them said they would never ever come this way again because they've seen it. That usually only happens in the night time. The stories I've read say it's been nighttime. The lights over the lake, guys, I've read that happens in the winter time. But it's a beautiful place. Everybody fishes here. You can see there's a couple of guys over there now fishing. Supposedly an awesome spot to fish, so all you fishermen head out here. Beautiful spot, guys. A nice breeze off the lake. Flies are at a bare minimum. It's just a great place. You can launch your boat over there. Me and my buddy lives across the lake there. We actually done a job for this guy in the corner here, and he let us use his jet skis one day, and we went all up the lake on them. We had a ball. The two of us were bundled up in coveralls and work gear, and we were out on the lake driving around. So the two of us looked like complete fools, but it was a fun time, guys. So with that being said, I guess we'll let you guys go here. And we'll head off somewhere else, guys. Try and make a bit more footage for today while we have a beautiful day out. So subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Make sure your post notifications are on, guys. That's that bell, so click that bell. You'll be notified every time we have a new video come out. And until the next one, guys.
Catch you later.
See you guys. Peace.